Congratulations, Sakar, Rikshan, and Binesh. Congratulations on the first anniversary of your dream for Optum. The three of you had the courage to dream and also make it come true. Nature always favors the people who can dream, people who are courageous, and I'm sure you'll be victorious, my boys. You'll never be let down. Like a former president once said, dream, and the dream should not let you sleep till the time it comes true. I just add something, make it big, make it bigger than life. And I'm sure all of you will be victorious. Congratulations once again, and have a great future, a great life. I'm really proud of you, my boys. I'm really proud of you. Congratulations once again.
Hi team at 4Optom. Congratulations on completing 1 year of turning your dreams into reality. On my last visit to Nepal, I was so encouraged to see the enthusiasm amongst all of you. Sakar Subedi, Binesh Gautam and Rikshan Sherpa. Keep doing the great work that you're doing. Have more of optometry education programs, create more awareness about optometry amongst the general population, and spread to all the neighboring countries. So anytime you need any help, you can WhatsApp me, email me, call me. All the best for your future, and congratulations once again. Keep it up.
Hello, greetings from Singapore. My name is Stephen Choi. A year ago, I witnessed the birth of 4Optom in Kathmandu through their first seminar Beyond the Phoropter. Since then, 4Optom has grown tremendously through conducting more seminars, eye camps, impacting more practitioners and patients. In the years to come, I'm sure 4Optom is going to grow a lot more, and I'm sure as well that 4Optom is going to reach out to more practitioners and more patients, impacting more lives. So once again, happy first anniversary, and I wish you all the best in the years to come.
Hello and namaste. I am really thrilled to congratulate 4Optom, the entire team of 4Optom, for the successful completions of their very first anniversary. As the name suggests, 4Optom is a group of optometry professionals and optometry students working for the betterment of optometry academic all over the world. The benchmark has already been a year old. Its hard-earned success. This shall dwell on the mindset of emerging optometrists all over the world with the creativity and determination that it vows to render. Be it in organizing relevant topics, seminars, workshops or trainings, 4Optom has always achieved its credential, and now with initiation of e-learning amidst of this COVID pandemic, 4Optom has once again proved its propriety in imparting knowledge on optometry. This platform has worthwhile, especially in the leisure, conveying a message that knowledge need not be imparted only within the four walls of classroom, but also virtually through webinars as well. My heartfelt congratulations to entire team of 4Optoms, and the work they are doing is very excellent. I am confident that this is only the beginning of their journey, and many more are yet to come. Best of luck for all the students, all the professionals.
Namaste. This is optometrist Dr. Amit Keshi, a solo private practitioner from Lumbini Eye Care, Tilotama Manigram Rupandehi, Nepal. First of all, I would like to congratulate the team, Sakar Subedi, Sridhar Khadka, and other dedicated members of the team 4Optom for completing 1 year of your establishment. A very happy anniversary for your combined effort.
Hello guys, this is Hamza Sheikh, an optometrist from India. So today I would like to congratulate team 4Optom a happy first year anniversary. It's been a year since I have visited Nepal for the launch event of 4Optom on May 2019. So kudos to team Sakar, Binesh, Richan and others who are working behind the scenes. It's truly your hard work and the dedication which is being reflecting in your growth. So just keep rocking.
Hello everyone, it's me Bipin Koirala, President of Nepal Optometry Student Society. I was glad to hear that this 25th May, 4Optom is going to celebrate its anniversary. So I want to express my best wishes from my side personally and from the side of whole optometry family of Institute of Medicine. Hope 4Optom will add its contribution in the field of optometry in Nepal, will reach the pinnacle of success in coming days, will gain plethora of achievements. I also wish for the coordination in optometry related activities between 4Optom and Nepal Optometry Student Society in coming days for the betterment of optometry field in Nepal. So thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.
This is Ankit Varshney, Professor at Shri Bharti Maiya College of Optometry and Physiotherapy, Surat. I would like to congratulate and thank 4Optom team for such a great initiative by creating a platform for optometrists globally to upgrade their knowledge and skill and uplifting optometry across the world effortlessly. In this pandemic situation, we need vision, and I witnessed that vision under their young team. They have the ability to transform vision into reality, and I am highly impressed with their enthusiastic ideas, energy, and commitment towards our fraternity. Finally, I would like to end by dedicating this poem to 4Optom team. कर्म करो ऐसे कि पहचान बन जाए, चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए, ए दोस्तों जिंदगी तो हर कोई जी लेता है, मगर बढ़ो ऐसे कि 4Optom टीम जैसी मिसाल बन जाए. Thank you everyone.
My name is Rupam and I'm an optometrist. Let me take this opportunity to wish a very happy anniversary to all the members of 4Optom and congratulate them on the excellent work they have done in recent past to upgrade the level of optometry and knowledge of optometrists in Nepal. All the very best and have a very bright future.
Namaskar to one and all who are watching this video. First of all, congratulations and best wishes to Team 4Optom. This platform provides you a unique lecture session with a various experienced faculties. This platform having a great success within a 1 year because of their dedication, and there is one motive to equilibrium as well as to unite whole nation as well as throughout the globe. So once again, congratulations to Team 4Optom for their dedication and hard work, and best wishes for the same kind of the work throughout the year. Thank you and many more years to come.
Hello everyone, this is Daryl from Seed Contact Lens. How are you guys doing? We hope you're fine. We're fine here in Japan right now, but we understand it's a difficult situation everywhere in the world. Thank you for giving us your support for the past 1 year. Time flies. It's been a year since we have launched Seed Contact Lens in Nepal with Lubu Eye Care at the 4Optom conference last year. Thank you all who joined us last year. It was really, we're really happy to see all of you there. Unfortunately, we can't be there with you this year, but please remember that we will always be here with you, supporting your vision.
Hello everyone, this is Krishna Banjade, working as a consultant optometrist at Revision Eye Care, Dang. I would like to wish everyone, every single member of 4Optom a very, very, very happy anniversary. Your work in the field of uplifting optometry standard, knowledge, status is outstanding. Many, many, many happy anniversary.
Greetings and namaste. It gives me immense joy and pleasure to be here to congratulate 4Optom on the occasion of their first anniversary. Yes, it's been a year since the young minds started 4Optom. After identifying the need for upgrading knowledge and skills for optometrists, especially based in Nepal, and they're doing a fabulous job of conducting various webinars, especially during these times of COVID, and also have been conducting workshops successfully earlier, and also conducted a mini symposium and conferences earlier. And they are going to be getting better and better in the coming days and years. So I wish them all the very best for future, and good luck to all of you.
I congratulate the 4Optom group for completing your first anniversary. You guys are doing a great job, a great learning platform for the optometry students. I'm sure our students will also benefit from your learning sites. I thank you for providing me the opportunity. I wish you all the very best.
Hello guys, how are you all? Wish you a very happy anniversary to iBeats and for Optom. I know you guys are doing really amazing job for Optometry Society, because I think this platform is not only good for the student of optometry but also equally good for the practitioners, because in this platform you can get all those different types of optometry learning videos in your YouTube channel, and anytime anywhere we can learn about those topics. So very nice job, very good job, and keep it up. Wish you a very good luck for all of you, all of the member of this group. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, happy anniversary to For Optom group. I am so happy that you have completed one very useful year. It has been a great learning experience for all the young optometrists and students. Optometry today, it has attained a different level altogether. It is not the old days that the optometrist is just refractionist, but he is much more well educated, well versed with ophthalmology. I am sure he will continue this program and increase the awareness, professional knowledge of all the optometrists, because it is only the professional knowledge which equips you well and come up in your profession. All the best to all of you.
Hello and namaste to everyone. I'm Asmita Pokhrel and I'm practicing here in Nepal as a clinical optometrist. My sincere appreciation to the entire team of For Optom for carrying out the online lecture series program even in the time of pandemic. This lecture series has been very useful for practitioners like us and even for students in enhancing their clinical skills as well as their optometric education. On the occasion of the first anniversary of For Optom, I express my best wishes to the entire team and I hope they keep carrying out the good works like the way they have been doing. All the best to the entire team and happy anniversary. Thank you.
Hi, I am Optom Puneet, co-founder and CEO CureC. I would like to thank the For Optom team for running this beautiful program of e-learning, from which all the students and optometry practitioners are learning and utilizing their time around this pandemic. And a big thanks to the organizing team for providing me with the opportunity to present, interact and share my experiences with you all. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. Bye.
Hello team, I am very delighted to wish the completion of 1 year of this visionary team. For Optom is bringing a lot of focus to this profession by their dedicated service in this academic community. I personally want to thank the members of this great association, Mr. Sridhar, Ms. Manasvi, Mr. Sakar, Mr. Vinesh and Mr. Satyam, for their hard work behind bringing all the optometry professionals in one platform. I wish for a bright and prosperous future for this energetic team. Once again, a happy first anniversary.
Hello everyone, I am Prabh Dalal from Surat, Gujarat, working as an optometrist in my private owned clinic as a specialty optometry practice, contact lens practice. Along with this, I am also visiting lecture in few optometry colleges of Gujarat. On the anniversary of For Optom, I would like to thank For Optom for organizing such amazing seminars for students as well as practitioners, and also I would like to thank For Optom for inviting me as a speaker for my talk on specialty optometry practice. You are doing a great job by giving knowledge to students in this pandemic, and I would like to be a part of this organization for future also. Thank you For Optom. I would like to request all my attendees to stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you For Optom.
Congratulations to you guys for completing 1 year. You set a milestone by providing a free knowledge that education not a business. Keep doing a great work. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good evening all. Good evening all the members of For Optom and the viewers. On this eve of their first anniversary of For Optom, I would like to congratulate them for their fantastic work that they are doing, and I would also like to wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. Well done For Optom, and congratulations for completion of your first successful year. Hope many more years to come. Thank you.
Hi 4Optum team. I heard that 4Optum team is making its first anniversary. I wish the 4Optum team and its people who are organizing a very good wishes. I hope this 4Optum team proceeds the advancements and others and has to connect seminars and has to organize optometry community to the next level. And thank you for giving a chance to give a presentation in the 4Optum. And I'm very happy that I'm associated with the 4Optum team. Thank you.
Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy anniversary to 4Optum and its team members, and much more success in the years that are ahead. One best thing about 4Optum is that it not only focus on the optometry students, but also it helps in the upgradation of existing practicing optometrists all over. I personally knew the mastermind behind 4Optum. They are best friend of mine and always been an inspiration for trying something new and worthful. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the team members of 4Optum and wish you a very success in the years that are ahead. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me, Priyanka Awasthi. A huge congratulations on your well-deserved success. I have been following 4Optum since its starting, and I must say you guys have done a tremendous job. It is a very good learning platform, and I personally have learned so many things through its webinar, symposium and workshops. Happy first anniversary to the entire team of 4Optum. Wish you all the great success and luck in your upcoming days. Thank you.
A very happy and heartfelt anniversary to 4Optum family. Congratulations you guys. Keep growing and glowing.
Hello everyone, this is Arti Thapa and I am currently studying in Vitala College of Optometry, Bangalore. Utilizing this lockdown period, 4Optum Group are conducting the e-learning session, which is very important and beneficial for us. It helps to add more knowledge in our study as well as in practice, and we congratulate the 4Optum Group for completing its first anniversary.
Hello everyone, myself Swastika and I am currently studying in Vitala International Institute of Ophthalmology. As we all are locked in our house due to this pandemic and utilizing the lockdown period, 4Optum Group are conducting the e-learning session, which is very beneficial and important for the optometry students. And also like to congratulate the 4Optum Group for completing their first anniversary, and stay safe.
Hi guys, so I am Tanvi and currently I am a student of Shankara College of Optometry, Bangalore. I'm sure many of you would have heard of it. So not to go too deep into everything else, I would like to wish the 4Optum team a very happy first anniversary. And to talk about them, they are a very good initiative. They have taken up they've taken up many more things like conducting symposiums about contact lens and workshops of vision therapy in Nepal. So some of them are my very good friends too. So to mention one of them, he's one of my very good classmates, Sridhar Karka. So he's my classmate too, and I'm very proud that he's a part of the team too. And during this pandemic, I think it's very important to not to lose touch in optometry and other things too. So they're trying their best to spread awareness and create e-learning sessions. So I have myself been a part of many sessions, and I've hosted one of them as of now, and I'll be conducting a little more of them. So it's a very good initiative for all the optometrists, all the budding optometrists, all the experienced optometrists.
Congratulations 4Optum on first anniversary. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn from you. I have benefited a lot from your work, such as workshop and conference, with exposure from international expert in contact lens and vision therapy. And I wish for all the success of the organization. Thank you guys. Congratulations once again.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Monish Chaudhary from Nasima Institute of Optometry and Research, Bangalore. First of all, I would like to thank For Optom team for organizing this wonderful session during this lockdown period. And today is its first anniversary, so I would like to thank For Optom organization to perform this wonderful session during this lockdown period, which was really helpful for us. And I wish all the best for your upcoming future ahead. Thank you.
Hello and namaste everyone. It's me Rimika Basnet, currently studying in Nasima Institute of Optometry and Research, Bangalore. Today I'm here to congratulate the For Optom team, which has been conducting the online series for optometry students as well as practitioners. As today is its first anniversary, we'd like to congratulate and thank them. You guys are really doing well. Thank you.
Hello guys, namaste. My name is Anish Chaudhary and I'm going to say something for Optom group because in this lockdown period they are conducting e-learning session, which is very beneficial and important for the student and in our practice life also. And congratulates them because today it's completing its first anniversary, and thank you for your support and hope it will continue in the future also. Thank you very much.
Janani from Nasima Institute of Optometry and Research, Bangalore. First of all, a huge thanks for the Optom team for organizing such a session, especially during this lockdown, which is of so helpful. And a hearty congratulations for your first year of anniversary and all the best for your upcoming future ahead.
Hello, I'm here Neeraj Kafle, and today I'd like to congratulate e-learning session and its whole team for completing its first anniversary. Shortly to tell about e-learning session, it was introduced by aiming to make student access academic materials from the different corner of the world. That's why I'd like to thanks the entire e-learning session team to creating this virtual world and provide us with opportunity to acquire knowledge even during this pandemic. Furthermore, I'd like to add that we should consider this period as our initiation and opportunity to treat the virtual world and find out the area of improvisation in it. E-learning session has put many effort to give knowledge on different optometric topic. It's very helpful, important and beneficial for the student as well as our practitioner. At last, I'd like to thank e-learning session and the team behind it. Your work is very impressive. Great work. Keep it up. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Unnati Kafle, currently a 4th year optometry student of Lakshmi Eye Hospital, Mumbai. In this period of Corona lockdown, For Optom is conducting an e-learning session which not only helps all the optometry students in their learning procedure, but each and everyone are motivated by them every day. So I wish all the For Optom team a many congratulations on your first anniversary. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Resul Alam, currently studying at Lakshmi Eye Institute, Mumbai. I want to congratulate and thank the For Optom team for organizing the e-learning programs for the students and the practicing optometrists. As we know, we are currently going through a very critical phase, that is COVID-19, but then also they are organizing many programs for the students and the practicing optometrists. I want to congratulate them for their first anniversary, that is on 25th of May. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nikhil, working as a vision therapist at Karthik Nikhil. So wishing you a happy anniversary for the team of For Optom, and people are really doing great at this pandemic time. So all the best, team of For Optom.
Hello everyone, myself Manikanta from Shankara College of Optometry, and first I would like to congratulate to all the team members of For Optom for their anniversary. And also, I like their intention to bring the talents among the optometry students and also the service towards the optometry community. So, I wish them to celebrate more and more anniversaries like this and to bring more creative minds among the optometry students. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mosam Yadav. Today my words are not enough to express my gratitude towards For Optom team. I As there is a saying that utilization of time is the key to success, I would like to thank For Optum team along with the fantastic teachers for sharing their wonderful informations and help the students and the practitioners to get informations and utilize their pandemic period. Thank you For Optum team for wonderful sessions and keep going. All the best.
Hi folks, this is Chandan from Bengaluru. For Optum, the team which was started last year in Nepal has been coming up with a very good innovative ideas such as e-learning webinars, workshop, etc. And now it's a first year anniversary for a team. And here I'm very glad to wish them a very happy anniversary for Optum and good luck for their future projects and all. ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Thank you.